Welcome back to another unboxing from Scale Arts In. Today we're unboxing a true JDM icon, the 1991 Honda Civic EG6 in white. This is a licensed die-cast model in 1/18 scale by Solido. Let's dive in and see what makes this model stand out. This Civic comes in Solido's new packaging, featuring a clear window box, a plastic base, and a name sticker on the base for easy identification. While the presentation looks great, it's worth noting that Solido provides only a single protective frame on one side of the packaging. This is an area where Solido could improve, as the packaging feels too delicate for safe transportation. Before we explore this model further, let's take a moment to talk about Solido. Established in 1932, Solido is a French die-cast model manufacturer with a rich heritage of crafting high-quality scale models. Known for their precision and affordability, Solido has earned a loyal following among collectors worldwide. Over the decades, they've expanded their portfolio to include everything from classic cars to modern supercars, all while upholding their commitment to exceptional craftsmanship and authenticity. With a legacy spanning over 90 years, Solido remains a trusted and respected name in the die-cast model community. The 1991 Honda Civic EG6 is a legendary car in the automotive world, particularly cherished by JDM enthusiasts. Part of the fifth-generation Civic lineup, the EG6 was known for its lightweight chassis, sporty design, and exceptional handling. It was powered by Honda's iconic B16A engine, a 1.6-liter DOHC VTEC marvel that delivered impressive performance for its size. The EG6 quickly became a favorite among tuners and racers for its versatility, reliability, and endless customization potential. Removing the car and base from its protective clamshell, the first thing you notice is the stunning white finish. The plastic base holds the car securely and features small screws, so you'll need a screwdriver to detach it. Solido has done a fantastic job capturing the essence of the EG6. The paint is smooth, and the overall build quality feels decent. This is a great piece for any collector or Honda enthusiast. A thoughtful touch is the plastic strip placed between the doors to ensure they remain protected during transit. Let's remove it to check more about this model. This model features opening doors, and as always, Solido includes a door opening tool with most of their models. Let's use the tool to open the doors and take a look inside. The gray interior is impressive, with accurate seats, a detailed dashboard, and a steering wheel that looks spot on. The attention to detail really brings the cabin to life, making it a standout feature of this model. One of the standout features of this model is the steerable front wheels. These can be posed to showcase different angles, adding an extra layer of realism to the display. Whether you want to capture a dynamic turn or keep it straight for a classic look, this feature gives collectors more flexibility in how they showcase their model. It's a small but impactful detail that makes the 1991 Honda Civic EG6 even more impressive. If you'd like to know more about other iconic cars and collectible models, make sure to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends who love cars and scale models. Your support helps us bring you more exciting content. Buy this beautiful model from our website, www.scalearts.in. That's it for now. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.